welcome back to another Edible Plagues episode. This is Edible Plague number 9, and that would be the Plague of Darkness. We kept this one really simple. All we did was take matzo, and we melted down some chocolate inside the Instapot and spread it onto the matzo, and that's it. Then we ate it. Because, you know, chocolate is dark, and it represents darkness, right? Okay. And it was absolutely delicious. Can't go wrong with chocolate. Oh boy, wasn't that fun? And my husband is so silly. He had fun jumping in there and making funny faces with us. So that concludes the 9th edible plague that we did. The next plague we will be doing was my absolute favorite. I had so much fun with that one. And that is the plague of the death of the firstborn. It sounds so morbid. I promise it's really not bad. You'll see when you watch the next video. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications every time we put a new video up. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.